So do you think art and science are related? We have been talking this before interview, but I want you to
Hmm.
answer related to this. Do you think art
Hmm.
and science are related? Why and why not?
Um, it is related up to some extent, mm, because if we'll talk about um for example, I am doing oil painting. For example, I need to understand the science of the how the paints work, how they will react. Means basically there are such things are there which we can control. Uh, we'll talk about materials that we are using. If we'll talk about the process through which we are making an artwork. So up to some extent, we can say that art and science is related, and it is not related in a manner that we can't expect the same result on our each experimentation that we are doing as we are getting in science. In science, whenever we do an experiment, we got the same result because everything is universally truth. Okay, but in art, the things go wrong. Will not go get the same result all the time. If I know how to draw a face, if I draw a face again and again, then many times I'll fail, many times the face will not match. So there are a lot of factors which is not which makes different from science.
Okay, so
Hmm.
I'll add a point here. So being a science
Hmm.
student, we do a lot of experiments when we want to try to like make a machine work or
Hmm.
do a chemical process. Uh, so obviously there are so many trial and errors in art, in
Yeah,
science as well,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Uh,
I want to uh, say it again. See,
yeah,
in science we are doing experimentations, we fail, that is
yeah,
totally fine. Okay,
yeah.
I am saying that once that experiment is successful, for example one medicine is made, then it will work uh, in the same manner in with everybody once that
Okay.
experimentation is successful. Yeah.
So the process can be used like to get like for getting the same results, we can use that step by step process and replicate it millions of times. Is that
Yeah.
what you're saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so isn't that not have like this the same thing happens with art, right? We can teach the process of what someone is doing, like in resin art,
Hmm.
for example.
Hmm.
I'm taking resin art as an example.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the mixing process and the hardening of the resin, all these things happens. The pattern might be different every time, but
Mhm.
uh, there is a scientific process involved in all this.
Exactly
Similarly,
the
the
process.
graphic,
Yeah.
similarly the graphite touching the paper and the
Hmm.
that the graphite like material is touching the paper and sticking onto the paper. All this is science, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
exactly. That process includes a lot of scientific approach, but the thing which is goes into the head of the artist.
mhm.
If I'll make a strokes, I'll use graphite, and somebody, the different artist is
Got
there
it.
who's using the graphite in the
Got
same
it.
manner.
Now I got it.
The result will be
So
different. Yeah,
the child scribbling on a paper is different
yeah,
from artist creatively thinking about some concept and drawing it on a paper. Is that
yeah.
what you're
That
saying?
is that. Yeah, yeah. That's a point. And also, if two artists are there having the same level of expertise, using the same materials also, then they can create different things
Obviously.
because they are having different thoughts.
Obviously.
Because there are
Yes.
millions
Yes.
of strokes going through a painting, and if there is a little change in thought can create those strokes in a different manner, so the different results are going to happen
Hmm.
even though we are using the same material, the same process is same, the level of understanding is same, everything is same, but still.
Got it. So what I'll say is the creativity part makes all the difference. All the difference, right?
Yeah, you
Uh,
can say that.
like an artist who takes uh, one kind of materials and do all these things. If we give the
Hmm.
same materials, what you're saying is if we give the same materials to the other artist and don't show
Yeah,
what the other artist have done, he might do the completely different work and
absolutely.
create a different kind of artwork totally.
Yeah.
So like this is not possible in science. uh,
Yeah.
but but don't you think there is a scientific process involved in this also?
Definitely, science is everywhere. We can't say that there is no science in art, but up to some extent, it is really different from science. When
Hmm.
Yeah, because it deals with human being, and everything which deals with human being is really different. In science, once a formula is made, once a process is created, then every scientist can do the same, can bring out the same output with the same process and something like that. But
Okay,
in
you're
art,
you're you're, you're saying in
Mhm,
terms of doing something using scientific approach.
mhm,
So what I have been talking now is recently related to the thought process which we are having is also science. The way our brain functions is also science. So till now I was in that perspective. So let us
okay,
change a little bit of
got it.
perspective now. Now I'll
Yeah.
change the perspective now. Let us say product development. Someone
Mhm,
someone who is a product developer in a company, he
mhm.
develops a product. So what is the first thing that is involved in product development?
Okay.
Sketching, right?
First of all,
Sketching.
hmm,
Obviously a
see,
person who develops a product should sketch the outlook of the product.
mhm.
So
If he's man, yeah. Okay, go
uh,
on, go on, go on.
the product sketching is the first part, and then he will take the product sketches into the computer, do it in maybe AutoCAD or some other software programs. He will take all that sketches into some good designs, and then the design will be taken into, like, a prototype is made, and this is the process which is involved for getting that innovation out or getting that product out, right? So
Okay,
obviously.
one thing you can say, like, that creation of product, you can say that is science, but the understanding of the market is art.
So
Definitely, art.
being a
Mhm.
commerce student, you don't have much touch with this science, and I am not a commerce student. I don't know about more about accounting and stuff. Maybe the basics also. Maybe I can read a financial statement or know about little bit of assets and liabilities just because I am doing business since past few years. So maybe
Mhm.
talking with some accountants, I have been trying to learn about that. But before that, I had no idea about anything in commerce. Similarly, a perfect man is formed when, or man or woman, I don't want to be gender specific, but
Yeah,
is formed when we try to get exposure in multiple areas of education. Maybe. What do you think on
yeah.
this?
Every See, there should be a mixture of everything. If somebody is running a business, then he must know the science of it, how the
True.
things are working, how the analytics are working. Okay, what are the insights? He need to understand all those things, which is really a part of science. Because understanding there is also approach. I just forgot the name. We were reading about that man who just started a business from a scientific approach. I just forgot that name, but there was a scientific approach of running a business also. And science is involved both in art is involved both in science and commerce. Each and everything is connected. In a business, a lot of things are there, a lot of uh, decisions are made on the base of scientific researches, how the productivity productive how can we improve the productivity of of the workforce working in our business. What are the timings that we should give as an interval to the people, or all those things are scientific approach. How can we increase the productivity level? How can we improve the efficiency in the business? Everything is revolves around the scientific part, saying
Are you
that.
talking about, sorry for interrupting,
Yeah,
are you talking about the principles of scientific management by
yeah, exactly,
FW Taylor? I
FW
think I
Taylor,
have
yeah,
read about this in BTech. Like we
yeah,
had some chapter about scientific,
yeah.
like,
That day, yeah.
yeah,
When
something
we
like
were
that.
reading on this topic, I really felt that, yeah, science and business is really connected.
True.
because the point he put out was really beautiful.
Yes, I
Yes.
want to add something, something more here. So I read
Mhm.
a book which is written by Richard Branson, the owner of
Okay.
Virgin.
Mhm.
He's mentioning business as art. Like
Okay.
he's saying that take a canvas, like if we take a canvas and try to paint a beautiful picture,
Hmm.
if we put on a brush and try to create it all at once, it will not happen. It takes time to
Not
create a
happens.
beautiful picture. So similarly, business takes time, business takes multiple iterations, business takes creation, business is art. That is what he tried to explain. So
I am
everything
also
is,
agree with the,
yes.
yeah, in one of my videos I also told that art is more like business. Definitely it is, science is included in that, but uh, it is more like a business.
So
Uh,
true.
if we'll talk about Gary Vee also, he is also, he is in the favor of mixing both math and art while running his business.
So true. Yeah.
Most of the people who totally focus on math are facing issues. Who are the people who are totally focused into art are facing issues. We have to that mix up. We need to understand the analytics, all the details, but also
Yeah.
understand the thought process of other people, the end customers. That's an art.
Yeah, mixing of both the right brain, that is logic, and the right brain creativity,
Creativity, yeah,
both are really important. A
really
person
important.
should be trained in both the ways, maybe.
Exactly.
That is where the people in the modern society, like we are also trained in same kind of education system, but maybe if there is some change in the system where creativity is more like valued in the education system we have, maybe we'll have people who are much matured, much talented, or like who can do wonders, maybe. And let's move on to the next question. This was fun, actually.
I loved it.
Hey everyone, the complete video is uploaded on the channel Art Experimenter. Just go and search Art Experimenter on Instagram and watch complete video because lot of important points are touched in this talk and you will get lot of values out of this talk. Okay, and let me know what you think, what are the questions that you are having in your mind. जो भी है जैसा भी है मुझे कमेंट बताओ. I would love to read your comments, your views, and I will see you in the next video, and take care. Love you all.